Hey luxury explorers, ready to redefine your adventures? Dive into the super cool off-road luxury with the Palomino Pause XC 21.4. This isn't just any trailer, it's a fortress of comfort built for the rugged roads ahead. Combining luxury with great functionality, it's designed for those who demand the best in every journey. But can it handle the toughest terrains while keeping you in the lap of luxury? Stay tuned to find out. This model, the XC 21.4, embodies cross-country adventures with a 21-foot box length and enough space to comfortably sleep 4. It's a beast on the trails with a total length of 25 feet 10 inches and a width of just over 7 feet. The gross vehicle weight is 9,459 pounds, providing robust stability without sacrificing agility. And what about this massive 76-gallon freshwater tank and an impressive ground clearance and departure angles that rival a stock Jeep Wrangler? This trailer is designed not just to tackle, but dominate off-road conditions. Inside, discover a world of advanced technology and comfort. The XC 21.4 is equipped with a state-of-the-art Garmin control system, managing everything from lighting to suspension adjustments. Its interior features luxurious 3D printed walls, a full fiberglass shower, dedicated desk space, and a revolutionary Truma tankless water system for endless hot water on demand. The advanced independent suspension system boasts up to 1,200 watts of solar power capability and over a kilowatt-hour of battery capacity, ensuring that wherever you are, you have the power you need. A full-size queen bed on the front of this trailer, along with 2 bunk beds in the rear, grants comfortable sleeping for everyone. Make sure you get all your work done while on the road with an entertainment center and a desk below you can utilize for a workstation. Cooking can be done with ease on the interior or exterior of this floor plan. Exterior storage can be found in the rear garage and below the bottom bunk bed on the exterior. Every inch of this trailer screams durability and thoughtful design. From heavy-duty compartment doors with metal strikers to an external kitchen setup perfect for any culinary adventure in the wild. The storage solutions are ingenious, offering ample space without compromising the sleek, robust design. The XC 21.4 also includes customizable interior options to suit every traveler's style. Choose from multiple floor plans and cabinet finishes, all featuring energy-efficient LED lighting and high-quality materials. The ergonomic furniture design not only maximizes space, but also provides ultimate comfort during extended stays. Outdoor enthusiasts will appreciate the integrated exterior features, such as the retractable awning with LED lighting, outdoor shower, and large cargo carrying capacity for bikes, kayaks, and more. The XC 21.4 is a really nice mobile base camp for adventurous families. And what about the journey of the company Palomino Camping Trailers? Well, it began in 1968 when Mr. Vern Landy, a tent trailer distributor, decided to create his own superior, lightweight, and affordable units, starting in a modest facility in Savage, Minnesota. In 1998, a new facility was established to commence the production of ultra-lightweight travel trailers. This growth introduced new product lines and expanded Palomino RV into one of North America's top 5 RV manufacturers, with over 300 dealers. Thanks for joining me today. If you're passionate about off-roading and luxury travel, consider subscribing for more content like this. Drop a like if you're impressed by the Pause XC 21.4 and share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, keep pushing the boundaries of adventure.